Hi, my name is Mike Osowski, and I'm the director of GetResponse Max, a marketing automation solution for enterprises. Today, I want to highlight us as an e-commerce marketing automation platform for both small and large e-commerce companies. Last year, the e-commerce market exploded and reached $4.9 trillion. Selling online became more of a necessity rather than an option. Last year, we noticed a strong demand for enhanced marketing functionality from e-commerce businesses. Of course, we listened and developed our e-commerce marketing automation suite for them. Let's check out what we created especially for shop owners and e-commerce marketers. As I mentioned, we have one-click integrations with the leading e-commerce platforms: Shopify, Magento, PrestaShop, BigCommerce, and others. Users can simply integrate a compatible platform, log in, and access their Shopify shop or any other store in seconds. They can manage their product library and contacts directly within GetResponse. Now users can also add a product recommendation block to their newsletter. The product recommendations engine analyzes shoppers' history and offers them products they might like. Our customers can also add promo codes to their newsletters. GetResponse then imports those codes directly into the store of their choice. Users can also send quick transactional emails. We've built in automated abandoned cart reminders and purchase confirmations directly into the drag-and-drop email creator. A new advanced segmentation feature allows users to create segments for specific groups of customers based on their behavior history. Our users can design pop-ups using a code-free drag-and-drop creator and specify a set of triggered visitor actions such as behavior on a website or time-based triggers. We also created pre-built automation playbooks. It's easy to copy and adapt them to shops' marketing activities. We provide shops with an analytics tool. Users can choose the most important metrics and monitor them in one place. We want e-commerce businesses to grow with us.